Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Valerie and this is my Zen Den. I am so excited to be back, like so excited. I know I've been gone for a couple months, but I have a good excuse, I promise. I've been so busy with everything. I just moved into my apartment and I also have been working a lot, so that has set me back a lot, and I am so sorry guys, and I honestly missed being here, but I am here and I am back, and I am here to review a very special product that I have been wanting to review and have been wanting to have since she announced it. The Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey collection. I fell in love the second that she posted pictures of like the eyeshadow palettes and the lipstick colors. I fell in love with them and I had to have it, so I literally got it the first second it came out on the website. I'm so excited to review this for you guys, and I also got the concealer, which is not part of the collection, but I know. But I will be giving you guys my full opinion on the concealer at the end of the video, along with the eyeshadow palette and lipstick shades also. So keep watching if you want to see that. Alright, let's get started. In case you guys want to know, I'm wearing my foundation and I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I am shade 228 soft tan. I already applied my foundation, so I am going to use, I got the shade Maple. I was so scared to get it because on the website I think it says that there are no refunds available, so I was really scared that I wasn't gonna get my right shade, but I opened it already and I'm pretty sure it's my right shade. Alright, here she is. So let me just put this on. This is in shade Maple. Oh yeah, it's super creamy and I can already tell it's gonna be like amazing coverage. And I'm gonna use the Morphe brush Y6 to spread it out. Alright, so I absolutely love the coverage because it's very full coverage. I have really dark circles, so anything that will cover that is amazing to me. So I really like it, and I think the shade was perfect. Alright, so I also got, of course, and the packaging is adorable. I love what she did here with the honey drops. It's very smooth and soft. Sorry for my disgusting nails. And when you open it, it's a very beautiful blue honeycomb pattern. I love packaging. I feel like that's so important. Alright, so here she is, and I love that so much. This is my first time having a Kylie palette of any sort, so that's why I'm like going so much into detail, because it's like my first like experience with it, I guess. I love that so much. It's like cotton candy teardrops. And then you open her up and then, oh shit, here are the colors, and of course you've seen it before, but in case you haven't. So I'm just gonna start with Raw. So I am done with the eye look. I hope you guys liked it. But now let's move on to the liquid lipsticks, the velvet lipsticks actually. I thought it was so clever of the box that she did this, like with the name. I got it in only 3 colors. I got Vibe, Mood, and Shook. I didn't really like the color Heat because I'm not really into those bright red colors, so I just ended up getting the 3 that I liked. I am going to start with Shook. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you liked the eyeshadow tutorial and the lipstick swatches. I absolutely loved everything from the collection, including the concealer, which wasn't part of the collection. I ended up really liking it, so I'm really happy that worked out for me. It's very thick and creamy, so it's really easy to blend it out also, which is really good. So I think this is gonna be my go-to concealer from now on. I'm really happy that it worked out, and I'm really happy that I got my right shade because I would have been so pissed if I didn't get my right shade. And then obviously these are amazing. I love all the colors. I think Vibe is my favorite one, but I also like Mood, which is the one that I'm wearing right now. I like Shook so much. Like I love all of them. They're so gorgeous. And also the palettes, I thought it was so adorable. I ended up loving it, and the colors are amazing. But I definitely recommend everything. And thank you guys again so much for watching. I can't wait to make more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter and all of that. I will be posting the little name around here somewhere. Just subscribe. I will be posting more videos, and I can't wait to see you guys back here.